In today's video, we're diving into the world of climbing perennial vines, plants that return year after year, thriving with minimal effort. Whether you need a fast-growing vine for privacy, fragrant blooms for a sensory experience, or a pop of color for your trellis, we've got you covered. Stay with us to discover the best options for your space. Clematis is a garden favorite, offering stunning blooms in shades of white, pink, purple, and red. With over 300 species, there's a variety for every gardener. These vines love full sun and well-drained soil, making them a versatile choice for vertical beauty. Climbing hydrangea is the perfect pick for shady spots. It clings to walls, fences, and large trees with aerial rootlets, producing elegant white flowers that resemble classic shrub hydrangeas. Plus, its peeling bark adds winter interest. Purple Passionflower, also known as maypop, is a striking vine with intricate exotic flowers. This semi-woody plant clings to supports with tendrils and can even be grown in containers for overwintering in cooler climates. Trumpet vine is a hummingbird magnet, producing clusters of red, orange, or yellow trumpet-shaped flowers. But beware, this vine is an aggressive grower. It requires regular pruning to keep it in check. Climbing roses bring timeless beauty to trellises and arches. Varieties like New Dawn and Don Juan boast long canes that can be trained to climb. Give them full sun and rich soil, and they'll reward you with spectacular blooms. Star jasmine is prized for its sweet fragrance and delicate white flowers. This twining vine makes an excellent ground cover, or can be trained to climb trellises, creating a wall of lush greenery. Also known as rock trumpet, Mandevilla is a tropical showstopper with large, vibrant blooms in shades of pink, red, and white. It thrives in warm climates and looks stunning in hanging baskets or climbing up supports. Bougainvillea brings a burst of color with its vibrant flower bracts in shades of magenta, red, orange, and yellow. This woody vine needs strong support and plenty of sunlight to thrive. Moonflower is a night bloomer with fragrant trumpet-shaped white flowers. Its fast-growing vines are ideal for fences or pergolas, but in cooler climates it's best grown as an annual. Cape honeysuckle is a versatile plant that can be grown as both a vine and a shrub. Its bright orange flowers attract hummingbirds, and it's a great choice for warm climates. Japanese honeysuckle is a vigorous grower with fragrant yellow and white flowers. It twines easily around supports, but can be invasive, so check local regulations before planting. Black-eyed Susan vine is a charming climber with small, cheerful flowers in shades of orange, yellow, red, and white. It's ideal for hanging baskets and small trellises. Bleeding heart vine is an elegant evergreen climber with white flowers accented by red centers. It thrives in partial shade and consistently moist soil. Cup and saucer vine quickly forms a lush green curtain with its fast-growing tendrils and unique cup-shaped flowers. Perfect for privacy screens and garden fences. Chocolate vine is as unique as it sounds. This fast-growing vine produces fragrant, brownish-purple flowers in early spring. While it's a showstopper, be cautious, its vigorous growth can make it invasive in some regions. Hardy kiwi vine is more than just a pretty climber. It brings stunning foliage and, in some cases, small edible kiwis. A sturdy support system is a must for this twining vine, and it thrives in full sun to partial shade. Also known as corkscrew vine, snail vine gets its name from its spiral-shaped, fragrant flowers. A sturdy trellis and regular pruning keep this unique vine in top shape. Sweet potato vine is an ornamental cousin of the edible sweet potato. Its long trailing tendrils make it a fantastic choice for containers and cascading over walls. Despite its name, snapdragon vine is unrelated to the garden snapdragon, but features similarly shaped flowers. The small, delicate climber is great for hanging baskets or fine trellises. Now that you know the best climbing perennial vines to transform your garden, which one will you be adding to your space? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. See you in the next one.